Did you know a bank robber escaped prison 3 times, using nothing but his own hands and a little nerve? Willie Sutton robbed over 100 banks across 30 years. But what made him truly dangerous wasn't the gun, it was the costume. Sutton dressed as a police officer, a maintenance worker, a bank guard, whatever it took to walk straight through the front door. No explosives, no violence, just theatre. And when they caught him, he didn't stay caught. In 1945, he escaped Philadelphia's Eastern State Penitentiary by crawling through a tunnel he dug himself. In 1947, he walked out of Holmesburg Prison wearing a stolen guard uniform. He carved a fake gun from wood, bluffed past armed officers, and vanished into the city. Authorities chased him for years, and every time they got close, Sutton couldn't resist the spotlight. He loved the attention too much. A reporter once asked why he robbed banks. His answer became legendary, because that's where the money is. In 1952, a tip from a neighbour finally ended the chase for good.